Zambia. You they call Fugu Blouse. Crasaful. Zambian Krasasamina Muzi. Let somebody explain that to you in Fanti. That when you see Fugu, you don't call it Blouse. You understand? Get out of here. Charlie. But on a serious note, Zambia, they know they respect. Zambia, you have no respect for yourself. That we want our President Mahama, they wear in beautiful smoke. They call them blouse. You know blouse? See, when a Ghanaian blouse self, your first lady no go fit wear them. He wear them, he no go fit them. I tell you, Zambia. Now you Zambia, look at what your police people they wear. What police na tala eda kaba. What the question rifo? Zambia. You go and look at your traditional dresses. Look at how your traditional people they dress. Your traditional people they wear skirts. Then they can't compete with Ghana. Zambia, are you serious? Just look at our beautiful costumes here we have in Africa. In Ghana, this is our native dress. And this is our fugu. This is our fugu, our smoke from the north. And they can't joke with our president. You see, our president can use just 1 week to make Zambia a better country. That is why he's coming there to do a master class. Hello, Zambia, stop fooling. Ghana is not your mates. The last time we checked, your army, your current army, your able army, your men where you they take them to war, no? Their costume look like Ghanaian veterans. February 28th veterans. What did they wear in the 60s, in the 70s? That be what Zambia, your military people, they wear. So please respect yourself and do not come across to play like Ghana. Ghana is not your mate. If Ghana has anybody to joke with or to play with, it is Nigeria and South Africa. The South Africa will be your godmother self. If they fear Ghana, ask them. We won independence. We had our independence 1957. We are not your playmates. Now, we would like to give your president, who believes that wearing suits is the best thing, a proper smoke from Ghana to wear. And look at how human your president is looking, how beautiful he's looking. Tell him that we have more better stylists in Ghana. Yes. You think when you wear white man's suit, that is what makes you who you are? Hello, Zambia. This is Ghana. This is Parker Ridge. This is the fancy people from Ghana. When I open past you, I'm telling you for real, man. Zambia. We, Ghana, we are the spice of Africa. Take Ghana and Nigeria out of Africa. There is no Africa. The rest, Ibizu. Yeah. Yeah. And Namibia people too. Zambia, they do it. You two, they full show Nigeria. Charlie, West Africa, we know they play. Currently, the Africa Cup of Nation, the trophy there, West Africa, Senegal, we not be your size. We not be your size. Monkeys play by sizes. Look for your size and play with them. Find some people in Eastern Africa and play with them. Zambia. You they call Fugu Blouse. Crasaful. Zambian Krasasamina Muzi. Let somebody explain that to you in Fanti. That when you see Fugu, you don't call it blouse. You understand? Get out of here. Fucking things.
All the lie.